when you have a child, let's say like a toddler walking around in your house, you do all kinds of things. You give quality food, try to give diapers, try
Right.
to make your furniture, with the bumpers. There's a gate not going up to the stairs or down on the stairs, all kinds of things, right?
Right.
The same thing is happening at the workplace. You put a floor tapes so you know where to walk. Those are for forklift. This is for you to walk. There's bumpers. There's let's say like you tell your kids there's a toy box. You have to put your tools back or the toys back. Same
Yeah.
thing. There's a shuttle board. You're gonna put your tools back, and you want to give safe toys that you don't swallow, right?
Right.
For your kid, for example, that same thing. You want to give the workplace the best and most quality tool that's safer for them.
Right.
Same exact concept. So safety to me is simply how you care for your employees.